Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set line spacing in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive Files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit. And then we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Then in the top row we have to tap on the letter A, as you can see here. Then tap on paragraph, and here at the bottom we have line spacing. Now we can increase the line spacing by tapping on the arrow on the right side, or we can decrease it by tapping on the arrow on the left side. Yeah, these are just the standard line spacing dimensions. And you can just play around with this to your liking. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.